Class 12 students, I will do now differentiation of second order from Shaha and Shaha book. You see one part 1 y equals to x to the power 5, it is given. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, you know dy dx equal to x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1, that is 4. This differentiation you know, this is called first order differentiation. And second order differentiation, you see I have directly started, nothing I explain, because second order differentiation is after doing first order once again you differentiate. So you see I have written again differentiating both sides with respect to x. This line you have to write. First differentiating both sides with respect to x and again differentiating both sides with respect to x. So do one second differentiation. So here it will be d2y dx2 and here 5 will come outside, x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1, 3. So 4 5s are 20, that is the answer. Is it tough? No. If you know differentiation, then second order differentiation is very easy for you. The next sum you see y equal to 2 into e to the power 5x. So 2 is constant. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, you have to write here. Then dy dx, this side dy dx equal to 2 into e to the power x differentiation e to the power x into ddx of 5x will be 5. Here it is written. So 5 to the 10 into e to the power 5x. Now for second order differentiation, again differentiating both sides with respect to x. It is written here. Then here it will be d2y dx2 and 5 to the 10 will be there. This 10 is there and e to the power x differentiation is e to the power x. Here again x, I have considered 5x as x, so again ddx of 5x. So 5 into x differentiation 1, so 5 I have written here. Now 5 10s are 50 into e to the power 5x. So this is the second order differentiation. Next sum you see y is equal to 3 log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy dx equal to, now actually dy dx we can write y1 or y dash. Dy dx y1 or y dash, it is same thing. So 3 into log x differentiation 1 by x. Now actually this can be written as 3 into x to the power minus 1. Again differentiating both sides, y1 will be y2. This is second differentiation. It can be written as y2 or y double dash also can be written, second order differentiation. So y2 equal to, you see x to the 3 is coming outside and x to the power minus 1, that is n into minus 1 into minus I have written here into x to the power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So minus 2 will come down. This is the answer. Again see y equal to 5 to the power 2x. So you can write formula a to the power x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, y1 equal to, that is dy dx equal to a to the power x into log a base e. A is 5, log a base e. You can write e or not, that is different thing. Again ddx of 2x. Chain rule you have to apply. So 2x differentiation 2. So 2 I am bring front, 2 into 5 to the 2x per 2x log 5 base e. Now this one is constant, this one is constant. So again if you differentiate, these two constant will be in the front. Again ddx of this. So ddx of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a base e. Again ddx of 2x, that will be 2. So calculate and get answer. Now y equal to tan 2x. You have to do second order differentiation. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, y1 equal to, that is first differentiation dy dx equal to tan x differentiation sec square x. Again ddx of 2x. You will get 2. That 2 I have written front. So this is first differentiation. Now you can write Again if you differentiate, then it will be y2, and this you can write 2 into sec 2x whole square. So x to the power n formula n into x to the power n minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, I have not written here. Again sec x differentiation is sec x tan x, but x I have considered 2x, so again ddx of 2x is 2. That is the answer. You simplify and get this answer. Now if you differentiate, then y1, that is first differentiation, equal to e to the power x differentiation is e to the power x, sin x differentiation is cos x. Again differentiating both sides, second differentiation, that is y2 is equal to e to the power x into cos x differentiation minus sin x. So it is done. That's all for today.